This is a slippery road. Be careful and walk slowly.
This is a muddy road. Mud can make you slip. See the slippery sign? It warns us to be careful. Let's stir the mud and hear it squish.
This is a rocky road. Watch your steps carefully. Careful here. Step around the big rocks. This is a snowy road. It is cold and slippery.
This is a sandy road. Walking here is soft and slow.
This is a wooden bridge road. Walk carefully. This is a highway road. Cars move very fast here. This is a village road. It is calm and peaceful. Follow for more videos and learning and easy things. Goodbye, friends.